I'd like to thank my friend Colleen for sharing another real easy way of making a mask very quickly, and it's washable. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. You just need a bandana. Fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Take your rubber band. If you have rubber bands that you use for your hair that are covered like with a little material, it'll be more comfortable. Put it about 1/3 of the way down. You can adjust this according to the size of your face and whether or not you have a beard. Fold it in. Fold this in. Got your 2 rubber bands here. You're ready to go.
Give me your money. Oh, works good.
Yeah. Probably a little better protection than paper towels too.
Oh yeah, it works out.
Yeah, I like the idea that you can actually wash it.
Yeah.
Reuse it.
Yep.
Thanks, Colleen. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.